nice, dude. We've got another bottle here. I'm just gonna take off the top of the bottle. And I'm gonna get this neck buff. And what we'll do is we'll filter this water through the neck buff into this bottle. It's gonna catch all the sediment before. Look at that. Doesn't look very clear, doesn't look very clean, but that is 100% drinking water. We're gonna live out here for the rest of our lives if we want. I'm just getting the fibrous materials out of this coconut husk. We've got a pile of coconut husk down here, and we're just pulling them apart and taking the fibrous materials. This stuff is the absolute greatest fire starter on planet Earth. That is the fibrous materials out of a coconut husk. It's hot. Smoking, 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 smoking. All right, we definitely don't have an ignition, but we do have an ember. So what we're gonna do now, take a coconut husk, flip it on there. I'm boiling a little bit of that water that we harvested from the earth.
See you next video.